Hi everyone, next proof number 51. So the concept is permutations and combinations. Prove that nPr is equal to n into n minus 1p r minus 1. n minus 1p r minus 1. So prove that nPr is equal to n into n minus 1 p r minus 1. So here nPr means here p for permutations. So nPr means arrangement of r things from n things. Arrangement of r things from n things. Okay. So number of ways of arranging r things from n things. Okay. So anyhow, we need to prove nPr is equal to this. So let us take LHS as usual. Here LHS is left hand side expression is nPr. Okay. Let us prove LHS equals to RHS. So first of all, nPr. What is the formula for nPr? nPr is equal to n factorial by n minus r factorial. nPr is equal to n factorial by n minus r factorial. Okay, this is the formula for nPr. Now, just observe RHS. Put RHS and observe change first. n into n minus 1 p r minus 1. Here we need, in RHS we need n, small n. So here we have n factorial. We know that n factorial is equal to, in factorial notation, n factorial is equal to n into n minus 1 factorial. n factorial is equal to n into n minus 1 factorial. In place of n factorial, we can take n into n minus 1 factorial. n into n minus 1 factorial. So, in n factorial place lo n into n minus 1 factorial తీసుకున్నాం. Divided by n minus r factorial. Divided by n minus r factorial. n minus r factorial. Now, nPr is equal to, LH is equal to n into, let us separate n and n minus 1 factorial. Okay. So, n minus 1 factorial by denominator is n minus r factorial. Okay, na? We have got n here. Next we need n minus 1 p r minus 1. Okay. nPr is equal to n into, now numerator is n minus 1 factorial. Leave n minus 1 factorial as it is. Let us make some rearrangements in denominator, n minus r factorial. See. Now, add 1 and subtract 1. Add 1, subtract 1. First write n minus r. Add 1 and subtract 1. Add 1 and subtract 1. So 1 add chesi subtract cheyandi. So anyhow, if plus 1 minus 1 get cancelled means we get same expression, n minus r factorial. So next, n into n minus 1 factorial, n minus 1 factorial whole divided by, let us make some rearrangements here. n minus 1 first, write n minus 1 first, n minus 1 and keep parenthesis. Okay. Next, minus r plus 1 whole factorial. Okay. Next, n into n minus 1 factorial, n minus 1 factorial whole divided by n minus 1, n minus 1 overall parenthesis, minus r plus 1. Take minus common here. Take minus common. So minus common తీస్తే, if you take minus common, negative r becomes positive r, positive 1 becomes negative 1. So it's like taking minus 1 common. Okay. Factorial, factorial, factorial. Bracket close. n into. Now look at this expression. Say n minus 1 factorial by n minus 1 minus of r minus 1 whole factorial. Now see this formula nPr. nPr is equal to what? N factorial by n minus r factorial. Now replace n by n minus 1, r by r minus 1. Then it becomes n minus 1 p r minus 1 is equal to, replace n by n minus 1. Then it becomes n minus 1 factorial by, replace n by n minus 1. n minus 1 minus of, replace r by r minus 1. Then r minus 1 factorial. So this is formula of n minus 1 p r minus 1. Okay. Therefore, nPr is equal to n into n minus 1 p r minus 1. LHS equals to RHS. Hence, proof. Okay. Very simple proof.